Hello, Spanish 102 students. Welcome to our class. I'm Dr. Stacy Hassan. Please take the time now to complete all bulleted items on our homepage. In particular, read how to manage the workflow in this online class so you know what to do in order to be successful and how to navigate this course. Let's now click on modules. Every chapter module has a complete list of assignments, links to the assignments, and due dates at the very top of the module. Use this information to organize your time efficiently. For example, here is our introductory information for the Repaso module. And here is our complete list of assignments and due dates. Make sure to check both Canvas pages for every instructional module. Additionally, watch for my weekly announcements that will guide you and inform you of due dates for the week. Let's go back to the home page. The most recent announcements will be displayed at the top of our home page. Check your announcements daily. I will be communicating with you often. Gracias y nos vemos pronto.